Harshali from class 4 is standing in front of you all to share a story with you all, and the title of my story is the Archery test. Once Dronacharya, the teacher of the Kauravas and the Pandavas, wanted to test the archery skills of his students. He took a wooden board and placed it on a tree branch. You have to hit the arrow exactly in its eye. Are you ready? Everyone nodded. Dronacharya asked Yudhishthira, "O question, O old son of Kunti, may I know what is visible to you at this point?" Yudhishthira replied innocently, "Why, O Gurudev, I am seeing you, the tree, the people around me and the world." Similar questions were put to Drodna, Bhima, Nakul, Sahadeva and others, and Ashra Drona got but the same answer as those given by Yudhishthira. Lastly, it was the turn of Arjuna. Why, the Guru asked him, "Oh Arjuna, will you tell me what are you observing?" Arjuna closed his eyes and visualized only the word's eye. When he opened his eyes, he could see was the eye. Hence then shoot the arrow, which went straight through the eye of the word. The hairs on Drona's body stood on end from delight. Moral of the story: this story shows the importance of focus and concentration. Arjuna was able to hit the target because he was completely focused on it, and he did not let anything distract him. It also shows the importance of having a good teacher who can guide and successful in life. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.